How to transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you transfer Solana from Binance to your Phantom Wallet. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open your Binance application with your account. Alright, so after you open the Binance app with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your wallet icon just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from this wallet section, you'll have to go to the option spot just at the top of your screen. So simply tap on the option spot. Okay, so from this spot section, you'll be able to find the option Solana. So simply tap on this SOL. Alright, so from this section, you can easily go to the option withdraw. So simply tap on this withdraw option. Okay, so from here, you'll have to go to the option send via crypto network. So simply tap on it. Okay, so from this section you'll have to enter the address of your recipient address, which means your Phantom Wallet address. So to get the address of your Phantom Wallet, you'll have to just launch your Phantom Wallet app with your account. Alright, so after you open the Phantom Wallet with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on the option Solana. So simply tap on it. Alright, so simply from here tap on receive. Okay, so by tapping on that receive option, you'll be able to find your QR code or your address of the Phantom Wallets. So from there, you'll have to copy your Phantom Wallet address, and from there, you'll have to just back from here and open the Binance app, and from there, you'll have to just add that address on here. So after you add the address, you'll have to just set the network here, and from the withdraw amount section, you'll have to add the withdrawal amount which you want to transfer from Binance app to your Phantom Wallet. So from there you'll have to add your withdrawal amount, and after you add that, you'll have to just tap on the withdraw option just at the bottom right corner. After you complete this procedure, you'll be able to transfer Solana from your Binance app to your Phantom Wallet. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.